Hello, this is Dr. Monica Bimoita and I welcome you all. So this is session number 24 on linear differential equations. So this is part 3, Cauchy's homogeneous equations. So let us start our numericals. So now let us see question number 7. Those 7 has been given as solve x square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus 4y equal to cos of log x plus x sin log x. So in this session we are going to solve little higher level examples of Cauchy's homogeneous equations. So as soon as we see this question, we understand it is nothing but a Cauchy's homogeneous equations. How? Because x power n, d power n, all the three powers are same. All the three are same. So this is nothing but Cauchy's equation. So let us get started to solve this. So put z equal to log x, e raised to z equal to x. X dy by dx is nothing but dy. X square d square y by dx square is nothing but d minus 1y. So same this thing can be written as d minus 1 minus d plus 4 of y equal to cos log x is nothing but z plus x e raised to z sin of log x sin z. So further we can simplify this. D into this d square minus d minus 2d plus 4 of y equal to cos z plus e raised to z into sin z. So now this is in the form y equal to function of z. So let us find complete solution for this. Let us find CF first. So considering auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? D minus, yes, can you write as d minus 2 whole square? No, it is d minus, it should have been 2ab, 2 to the 4d. So this can be written as d square minus 2d plus 4 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So which cannot be solved by factor method, right? Multiplication plus 4, addition minus 2. So let us do by discriminant method. D equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this gives 2 plus or minus 4 minus 16 is minus 12. Minus 12 is 2 root 3 I 2 root 3 by 2. So this is 1 plus or minus I root 3. So complementary function is in terms of z. Y equal to e power z c1 cos root 3z plus c2 sin root 3z. So this is our CF. Now let us find PI. So PI can be written as 1 upon d square minus 2d plus 4 of cos z plus e raised to z sin z. So further this can be written as 1 by d square minus 2d plus 4 of cos z plus 1 by d square minus 2d plus 4 of e power z sin z. So let us take this as first part and let us take this as second part. So now let us find PI for first and PI for second. So PI for first. So that can be written as 1 by d square minus 2d plus 4 as it is cos z. So whenever cos x is there directly, d square equal to minus a square, a is nothing but 1. So this can be written as 1 upon d square is minus 1. So minus I can take outside. I'm left with 2d. What is this? Minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3, but minus I've taken common, so minus 3. Now this is 4 minus 1 plus 3 minus 2d of cos z. So we do not know about d. Let us rationalize. So this can be written as minus 1 as it is. 2d plus 3 of cos z. What is 2d minus 3? 2d plus 3. 2 is a 4, d square minus 9. So now let us substitute. D square is nothing but minus 1. So this gives minus 1 by minus 10. 4 d square. D square is minus 1. Sorry, minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13 by minus 1. And what about this? 2 as it is. What is differentiation of cos z? Minus sin z plus 3 cos z. Minus plus. So this is our first part. Now let us do second one. So the second part can be written as 1 upon whatever it is d square minus 2d plus 4 of e power z sin z. So this can be written as e raised to x into v form e power z, wherever d is z, d plus a equal to 1 here, v equal to sin z here. So same this thing I can write as e power z, wherever d is z, d plus 1 whole square minus 2 into d plus 1 plus 4 of sin z. So e raised to z as it is. Denominator can be written as d square plus 2d plus 1 minus 2d minus 2 plus 4 of sin z. So minus 2d plus 2d cancel. 4 plus 1 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So e raised to z. So this can be written as 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So plus 3. D square plus 3 of sin z. So now again d square is minus 1. So this can be written as e raised to z. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2 sin z. So pi is 1 by 30 minus 2 sin z plus 3 cos z plus e power z sin z by 2. Complete solution is y equal to all this plus 1 by 13 minus 2 sin z plus 3 cos z plus e power z by 2 sin z. So this is our solution, but this is in z form. So let us write this in x form, resubstituting. What do we get? Y equal to e power z is nothing but x. C1 cos root 3 as it is. What is z? Log x. Plus C2 sin root 3 z is log x. Plus 1 by 13 as it is. Minus 2 sin z is log x. Plus 3 cos. Again what is this? Cos z is cos of log x plus e raised to z by 2 sin z. So this is our complete solution. Now let us see one more numerical. So now let us see 8th numerical. So now the question has been given as solve x squared d square y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus minus 4y equal to x power 4. So again same thing, as soon as we see, we understand Cauchy's equation because x power n, all these three are same. So this is already given in standard Cauchy's equation form. So let us use substitution and let us solve for the same. So put z equal to x. Put z equal to log x. E raised to z equal to x. Next, x dy by dx is capital dy x square. D square y by dx square is d minus 1 y. So let us substitute all this in our given equation. Therefore, x square is d minus 1 minus 2 d plus 4. Sorry, what is that? Minus 4 of y equal to e power 4z. X power 4, e power 4z. So this can be written as d square minus d minus 2d is minus 3d minus 4 of y equal to e power 4z. Now let us, so this is nothing but y as a function of z. Let us find complete solution for this. CF, let us find CF first. Auxiliary equation is d square minus 3d minus 4 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation which cannot be solved by factor method. So discriminant method, d equal to minus b. So minus minus plus b, plus or minus b square minus 4ac minus minus plus 4 4s are 16 minus 4ac plus 16 whole divided by 2a. So what is that? 2a 2. So this gives, what is this? 3 plus or minus, what is 9 plus 16? Under root 25, that is nothing but 3 plus or minus 5 by 2. So what are the answer? So this is nothing but 3 plus 5, 8 by 2, that is 4, and 3 minus 5, so minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. So D is minus 1 comma 4, right? So already we know when I look into this equation. So what is this? Multiplication is minus 4, addition is minus 3. So multiplication, what are the roots? Minus 4 into 1 will give minus 4. Addition, minus 4 plus 1 will give minus 3. So straightway directly I can also write as d minus 4, d plus 1 equal to 0. So even this gives same thing. D equal to 4, d equal to minus 1. Right? So now let us write complete complementary function for this. CF is y equal to, in terms of z, C1 e power minus z plus C2 e power 4z. Right? So instead of going this, directly by factor method we can find minus 4 and 1 are the factors. So directly d equal to 4, d equal to minus 1. So we get our CF. Now let us find PI. So PI is 1 upon f of d. F of d is d square minus 3d minus 4 of, what is RHS? E power 4z. So e power ax form. So we know what we have to do. Directly put d equal to a. Right? So if you want, you can also use this one, d minus 4 d plus 1, or you can also use this, whichever you find easy. So I will find this easy, so I can use this. So 1 by d minus 4 d plus 1 of e raised to 4z. Right? So now when I substitute here, I'm going to get as 0. And when I'm substituting here, I do not get as 0. So first I substitute here. What will that happen? 1 upon d is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And when I'm substituting here, I'm getting as 0. So this we can write as 1 upon, firstly substituting here 4 plus 1, 5. Right? And when I'm substituting here, we are getting as 0. So multiply by z, differentiate the denominator. Differentiation is 1 e power 4z. So this is our answer. Right? Or even here we can substitute. What we will get? Equal to 1 as it is. What you will get? 4 4s are 16. Minus 3 into 4 3s are 12. Minus 4. So 16 minus 16, 0 you are getting. So multiply by z, differentiate. 2d minus 3 e power 4z. So next substitute d equal to 4. So z by 4 to the 8. 8 minus 3 is 5 e power 4z. So whichever you find easy, either here you substitute or you take this, you are going to get same answer. So this is our PI and this is our CF. Complete solution is y equal to CF C1 e power minus z plus C2 e power 4z plus z e power 4z by 5. This is nothing but complete solution in terms of z, resubstituting because the given question in terms of x. So let us resubstitute y equal to C1 e power minus z is 1 by x. So that can be written as e power minus z is x power minus 1 is 1 by x plus C2 e power 4z x power 4 plus z. Z is what? Log x. E power 4z x power 4 by 5. So this is our solution for our given Cauchy's equation. Right? So all Cauchy's equation is going to be very easy. What we have to see? Whether the given equation is direct Cauchy's equation. Sometimes what happens? The given equation will not be in standard Cauchy's equation, but it can be reduced to Cauchy's equation by using some substitutions. So in our next session, we are going to see indirect Cauchy's equations forms. So with this, thank you one and all for your patience. Have a good day, great day ahead. Thank you.